Hi and welcome to the week 8 Prac. So for this one, I've chosen to look into Docker, aka, and build a container and show, I guess. So first thing, what we need to do is just flash it with an image, and to do that, we use this command here. So we just go Docker, and we're pulling an image, and this is the image. So we just run the command. I've already installed it, so it'll probably be a bit of a quicker time. So it just says it's already up to date. And if we want, we can look at the version, I believe. The Docker version just shows us the version. Next thing we want to do, we need to make a directory to run our files in. So we just go make dir, and we'll just call it Docker test. And then we just want to go into the directory. Now, first thing we want to do is make the Python script, or I'm using Python, of course. So make the Python script that will run in the container. So we just go nano hello.py, which is the script, and we're just going to do a simple print one. So I'll just get it. I've already just wrote it down quickly. So we'll just print hello, and then we'll print how many letters in hello world, of course, and we just save that. Next thing we want to do is make the Docker file. So the Docker file is pretty much what runs the actual container. So to do this, we do the same thing, just nano Docker file, and I'll paste in the same thing. So for this, pretty much we are getting the image, then we copy the hello.py into the image, and then we're running the hello.py from Python in command prompt, or CMD, obviously. So we can go and just save that. Now the final thing, what we need to do is actually build the container or the image. So to do that, we go docker build, go t, and just the name of it. So we'll just go hello world, and then we put a tag on it. So this tag pretty much shows that this is the version 1 we're running. And then if you have to update it, then you change it version 2, version 3, etc. We'll just do this, and it will just go through all the steps. So the 3 lines that we set, and just runs them all, make sure it all works. So now we can finally just go and run. So to do that, we just go docker run and then name, so which is hello world. Oop, world, and then the tag, which is v1. Just go run. Oop, we have an error. Looks like we've just put a little error in the hello file, so we'll just go in and fix it. Yeah, we'll just write it again, just to make sure there's no error. So just go print hello world, and then print len, and then hello world. And we're going to go save that, exit out. Now we'll have to rebuild it, of course, which is fine because now we can just change this to v2, of course. Then just run everything over again, and then we just go run and change this to v2. And there we go. It just runs our hello world and 11. Now we could always just do a normal run the hello pi, but this is just a bare basic what Docker can do. So Docker pretty much, it makes a container that's fully movable, and it operates as its own directory. So when you run it, it runs out of the directory that we made, which is the Docker test, and then from there on out, it runs everything. So we can put multiple files, all that in there, and we can run all separate things at once. I believe one other one, I'm not sure if I'll remember it, Ubuntu. Oop, I spelled that wrong, sorry, Ubuntu. We may be able to get this one working. So this may take a bit to download, but if that's the case, I'll fix it up. But pretty much what this one does is then we can run a whole different operating system on our Raspberry Pi, which we run the Ubuntu. So it's downloaded, so now we're in the Ubuntu. So I don't really know too many commands, but this is, I think, a thing to top. I'm not sure. But yeah, so this is a completely different operating system. And to exit out of it, I think we can just go exit. Or not. Oh, actually, I think it's function D. Windows T. Or not. But yeah, pretty much this is just going to a different. I can't get out of it when let me get out of it, but that's okay. But yeah, this is Docker, what it can do. And yeah, thanks.